Hey everyone, Leo here from Rick's Review Hub. Get ready to rethink your kitchen game with the Breville Smart Oven Compact Convection, a countertop oven that's small but mighty. Want to know if this is the perfect fit for your cooking needs? Stick around and don't miss the Amazon link in the description for the best deal. Let's fire it up. First, let's dive into the features. The Breville Smart Oven Compact is a 1,800-watt convection oven with Element IQ technology, which uses 4 quartz elements to deliver precise, even heat. It's got 8 cooking functions: toast, bagel, bake, roast, broil, pizza, cookies, and reheat. The 17.3 by 21.4-inch interior fits a 12-inch pizza, 4 slices of toast, or a small roast chicken. The backlit LCD screen makes settings easy to read, and it comes with a 10-inch baking pan, roasting rack, and interior light. Its brushed stainless steel finish looks sleek, and the compact design saves counter space. Now the pros. This oven cooks like a champ. I baked cookies that came out golden and soft, and a 12-inch frozen pizza had an evenly crispy crust in under 15 minutes. The convection fan cuts cooking time by up to 30%, and the controls are super intuitive. Just turn the dials for function, time, and temp. It's perfect for small kitchens, fitting easily on my counter, and the stainless steel is a breeze to wipe down. For around $230, it's a great value compared to bulkier ovens. But there are some cons. The top gets hot, reaching nearly 200 degree paps, so keep it away from kids or flammable stuff. It's not great at toasting evenly when packed with 4 slices, showing some cool spots. The crumb tray is smooth stainless, which makes cleaning trickier unless you line it with foil. Also, it lacks air fry or dehydrate functions, so if those are must-haves, you might want to look at the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro instead. I recommend the Breville Smart Oven Compact for small households, apartment dwellers, or anyone who wants a versatile oven without taking up much space. It's ideal for baking, roasting, or toasting daily meals, but if you need advanced features like air frying, consider a higher-end model. This one's a solid pick for most home cooks. Ready to upgrade your cooking? Click the link in the description to grab the Breville Smart Oven Compact on Amazon for the best pricing and special promotions through Rick's Review Hub. Your support keeps these reviews coming. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and let's keep cooking.